Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 26/9/2022 and then the time is 10 o'clock. Sorry, I was a little bit late. Went out for a meeting. Again, pranam to market. What more to say? The numbers literally rocked. And what we discussed yesterday based on the number which I'm going to give it to you at 9:18 a.m. today, that literally rocked. That literally rocked. But today I gave that number much before the market opens itself, a Nifty spot and Bank Nifty spot, and that was the exact low. It was the exact low, but unable to go and break our support number, which has become the resistance after the market fell. Gap down, which was 17,161 for uh, Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, it is I think 38,809, 38,809, and Bank Nifty future number. I forgot. I'll show it to you in the video. But Nifty and Bank Nifty are at the exact support in fortune signals, and it made the exact low today. Bank Nifty also, and more or less our number which we designed before the market opens, that was the exact low today. So let's go and see all that. And okay, so this is our WhatsApp thing, and these are the two timings for today: 105 to 110 and 215 to 220 is our timing for the day. And if you go in the morning, so this is our 907 number. Below 17,130, you need to go short. Came down all the way, went and touched this number. Missed by 3 points here. This is a 907 number. But before this, we gave this two number. Nifty bearish number, and this is what we talked about in yesterday's video. Okay, Nifty bearish number 16,985, 38,510, and we give this number at 9:12 before the market opens. Okay, and Nifty future number 38,919 to 38,930, and after it came down, the evening again went back. It is not able to breach this number on the higher side. This is nothing but the one magic number for Bank Nifty future. Now it has become the resistance. Earlier it was the support. Once it broke this number, it will become a resistance. But the beautiful thing is these two numbers which we predicted in the morning before the market opens. And I have not done anything today in Nifty because I'm holding my short, and today after it took the support, our members went long based on 1 minute, and I've told them to exit off the position at 17,161, and the second portion it came and it was stop loss. So more or less they made money, not a big money because Nifty has not gone any much. But I have not done anything in Nifty today because I'm holding my short on 15 minutes closing basis on the sell side. So it is continuing. So as I already told you, we will reverse our position only when our 15 minutes fortune signals gives the genuine buy. So till that time, we will not initiate any buy position. We will do intraday in buy position, but we will not take any position. This is what we informed yesterday in our video. So now let's go and check these two numbers which we predicted before the market opened. This is not a GAN number. This is not a Ishimoku number. This is the dynamic number which was designed by the big guys, and it will be respected. Okay. So now let's go to Nifty. Okay, I'll come to this later. So this was the number. 16,985, and market opened exactly at 17,161, because this is our final support for this week. And from there it is open exactly there only, came down all the way, exactly it came and touched that number 16,985, and at 11:10, and we predicted this number much before the market open, much before the market open. See how beautifully it comes and respects these numbers. I don't know, it was a magic to watch all this. See, again went up. Where it went up? It went up to again 17,161. 17,161, this number. And this was the first timing. And from there it came down. The second timing gave a big movement, and I made the video in Nifty future. It was an amazing Bank Nifty future. It was an amazing price time square at this timing, and the bump it gave in Bank Nifty future was literally amazing to watch. Again, what happened? It went down, came down, exactly again touched this number, 16,985. Again here, it closed here. So this is the weekly bearish number for the week. Below this number is bullish, below this number is bearish, above the number which I've already shown, that I will show it to you later. So, and if you go to Bank Nifty, that was the exact low, 38,510. See how market respects these numbers, and we can predict this number before the market opens itself. Before the market opens itself, we can predict this number. But nobody can go long here. We need to wait for the confirmation. Based on the fortune signals 1 minute confirmation only we can buy. So we bought only here. After the confirmation from bank in fortune signals. Then we went long. Okay, we are predicting the support. This is nobody can go long here. It is not possible. We need to wait for the confirmation. Once the confirmation comes, we will go long. And that is what our people did today. Okay, see how market respects these numbers. Okay, so now let's go to the daily time frame. Now Nifty, as I already told you in my weekly video, exactly it came and touched 200-day SMA, because I don't care about 200-day SMA and all. But anyway, that was the bottom today. So it came down exactly. Now it has gone inside the cloud. So now Nifty will definitely break our end. Within this cloud, it will break our end. So now the next support is roughly around 16,885, and the next support is 16,575. The only problem is whatever number we discussed as the bottom of the market for this week, it is already achieved on the first day itself, and that was a gap down. Okay, so now I need to revise all my targets on the downside. So now use my daily numbers as the following, downside target for on a weekly side on a Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so now this is Nifty. Bank Nifty is a little bit okay, but it has not come and touched this level. So most probably the level is 37,927, but my number is 37,979. 37,979. I think 7,979 only. If I go here, I will know that number 37. Just a minute. Yeah, 37,937. 37,937. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. Nothing more to add in this. And okay, so now let's go to our fortune signals. So in fortune signals, I trade based on 15 minutes. So based on 15 minutes, it has given a sell at 40,891. 40,891. And till date, there is no buy. So we will not buy. And the candle is in red. So this takes care of your emotion. So whenever it goes and touches the blue color, we will sell. Whenever it goes and touches the blue color, we will sell. But 2 days before, on first day, we are not holding any position. We started again the position on Friday. On Friday, we are holding our position. Till now, we have not covered our Bank Nifty position or our Nifty position. Nifty gave a sell at this 17,660. And from there is no buy. So if you go to even 5 minutes, in 5 minutes also, it has given a sell at 17,793, and this was the little bit of a stop loss hit, and again it came down, even though it was a profit only. Again from 560, there is no buy in 5 minutes also. But if you go to daily, it is exactly at the support. This is Bank Nifty and this is Nifty. Nifty has broken it. So In case if it doesn't tomorrow, in case if it doesn't break this low, then the U-turn will be there. The U-turn will be ferocious. The U-turn will be ferocious. This is what we call it as a magical candle. Magical candle. But if it breaks tomorrow below this low on a closing day, on a close on the day, then we need to be really worried on Nifty. Really worried on Nifty. So as of now, it's a magical candle, and Nifty future also magical candle. But Bank Nifty is exactly holding it. Bank Nifty is exactly holding it, and Bank Nifty future also is exactly holding it. Okay. So now let's go to the numbers. So our weekly number, okay, we started as 17,161. I have already explained why this number was very, very special in my yesterday's video. Okay, so now once it markets opened exactly here only 17,161. Once it went below this, it came down, came up all the way. Again, it got resistance only here. Now this will become a resistance. This will become a resistance. Now it has to close above this number. Close above this number for the validation of the confirmation for the higher side. Till it is not able to close above this number, it is very, very difficult for the market to sustain. Very, very difficult for the market to sustain. And below, the market opened exactly below this. And I already told you that 39,304 to 39,204 will be the support level. Once it broke that level, now it became a resistance, and today's high was 39,204. Now it became the resistance. So 39,204 to 39,304 will be the major resistance, and 38,809 will be the next resistance level. So now it has to close above, first of all, 38,809. 38,809. So based on everything, it is definitely bearish. So now this was the number which I gave to people in the morning before the market opened. So now listen to this. If we hold this number, if we hold this number, and if it crosses 17,161, the expiry will be here, or the monthly closing will be here, 17,498. The monthly closing will be at 17,498 in case if the Nifty closes above 17,161. But it should not close below this number. It should not close below this number. Today, it held this number and closed above. It has not given up this number till now. Even Bank Nifty has not given up this number till now. Okay, it is holding the bearish number for the week. But if it closes below, again saying closes below, then the problem will be much, much more. But if it holds this number and if it crosses 17,161 in Nifty, maybe in the bracket I will put it, 17,100 in Nifty, and here it is 38,809. If it sustains above this number on a closing basis, possibility in Bank Nifty is 40,064 for this month. Too much points from here. But let's see that's how the number works. That's how the number works. And if it sustains and closes above this number, the target is 17,498. Fingers crossed. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, so nothing more to add. All these number again bearish. All these again bearish. The problem is again it opened below this number, so it has not given a sell opportunity to sell at this number, and it exactly opened here. It exactly opened here, and till this target is done. Okay, and this is our very crucial number, 16,937. 16,937. Break below this. This was the last target for this week. And if you go to Bank Nifty, all the targets are already achieved on the sell side. And the dead end support I mentioned, dead end support is 38,522. That was the low today. That was the low today. That was the dead end support. Okay. So Bank Nifty is already done because these two are the resistance, and today this was the high, 39,204. 39,204. So all five numbers are bearish, and Nifty also five numbers are bearish. and take this number. I have not updated this because I came very late, so I don't want to get into this because again, I need to do a lot of work here. So now on a weekly support, this is what I mentioned yesterday, 38,550, and that was a low today. And kindly ignore this for tomorrow because I have not updated it. I have not updated it. So kindly only use these numbers for tomorrow. Only the spot number. Okay, only the spot number. Okay, so now today, whatever stocks came into TCD, I've already updated here, high and low. Kotak, BPCL, HPCL, BPCL, HPCL, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is at the exact support. And Amar Raja and Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma I missed to mention yesterday. Torrent Pharma. So tomorrow, Jubilee Food, BEL, and Motherson Sumi and Voltas. Okay, watch out for these companies. Tomorrow it is Jubilee Food and Voltas. Jubilee Food and Voltas. Okay, so nothing more to add. And today IT was a little bit stabilizing, but again, Reliance is not at all doing anything. So we need to watch how Reliance is going to do. But I'm expecting the maximum bottom will be in Reliance is 2351. Below 2351, definitely if Reliance will be looking very, very ugly. Okay, so let's see. Let's watch. Hope today also the numbers worked like really, really mad, and pranam the market for respecting our number. We predicted the number before the market opened, and that's how numbers do wonders, not your charts. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a serious investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.